Hey guys, as you can see we are on to our next video, and I'm going to start the product research method. So I'm going to firstly show you number one method, and this method is going to be on Jungle Scout web app. So I've already opened my Jungle Scout web app page, and you have to click on the desired marketplace you want to sell in, and you have to choose the categories. I've already mentioned in my previous video which categories are best to start with, and you have to input your filter, and I have already given you checklist on my previous video which what to put in here. So for product tag, you have to choose standard, and you can leave this seller box, and minimum price and maximum price $15 to $45. You can leave minimum net. You have to put maximum rank up to 5,000, and you have to put minimum sales to 50, and maximum you have to leave this button. And minimum revenue should be around 5,000 as mentioned to you earlier, and put 70 here, and you can leave this one. And minimum weight should be you can leave this minimum weight, and max weight should be around 1.5 to 2 pounds. You can leave this one also, and you can choose this one. Maximum listing quality score you can put up to 4, and the lower the listing quality score, the better of a competitor. And after putting all this filter on and choosing the categories you want to sell, then you have to click on the search button. As you can see, there comes a bunch of product listings. Then you can directly see this product by clicking on the link here, and you can calculate profit from here, and you can add this product on your product tracker, and you can do much more. So you have to explore Jungle Scout web app. So guys, I will show another tactic to research product in my next video.